Okay, today we're going to save this grill. Nice grill, 4-burner. Looks a little tacky. The bottom's eaten out. Looks like there's a little drip pan been placed under a portion of it. Well, let's see what we can do to get it back to life. Yeah, we're starting with a wire brush on a drill. And we'll just clean the grate water. Okay, we cleaned up the grates top and bottom. They're looking pretty good. The shells over the heating elements don't look too good, but we can still survive. This is the pan that was placed under there temporarily. As you can see, the bottom is totally gone. We're going to make something. Went to Lowe's and got some roofing metal. This is a galvanized steel. We'll cut a section of that and make a new bottom for the grill. First thing we do is measure out the section and mark it. And then we'll cut it and form it for the bottom. Okay, we got our piece cut to size. It's a little flimsy, but being galvanized, it'll last a long, long time. We're going to, right now, make a few bends to add rigidity and make it a more substantial tray. And let's see, I'll set that down. Grab our little tool. See the little tool. About an inch over, so that's going to make some little bends. Just to make it lay down a little better. You notice how this left side is pretty rigid now, and we'll put some crimps on that other side, and that should flatten her out for us. Okay, you can see a little bit of space there. We now got a reasonably flat surface to put in for our new floor for the grill. Okay, we got our new pan in, new liner for the bottom. Should work quite well. It'll look much better. Along the way, I did notice that one of the burners was totally burned up. So we won't use that. I'll put a little tape over the knob, and other than that, things should work great. Time to reassemble. Here's what she looks like now. A huge improvement. Should be satisfactory at least through the winter season and maybe beyond. These parts are available online. Just go to the Char-Broil website. You can order any of these parts, but we'll look at that another day. For right now, we got a totally functional, cleaned up, ready to go barbecue grill.